Today we will learn about how to control the view of a location in your map. This is how your map will look like when your user selects a specific location. The view refers to three different settings: the zoom level, the bearing or rotation of the map, and the 3D effect. To edit the view, first go to that location in the editor and click on Marker Position and Map View. The map preview becomes interactive. Zoom in and out by scrolling or use the zoom controls in the right top corner. Change the orientation by using the compass tool or by right-clicking and moving to the side. Set the 3D effect with the left bar. You can also open the Advanced Settings menu and enter values. We recommend applying the same customizations to all your locations. Click on the icon next to each field to do it.